Yes, so the style sidebar, as presented by Richard, for this style sidebar, we give you a high-level overview of your document structure. That's together with the styles. Let's go here. And these styles include paragraphs, characters, frame, tables, and a list. So what was happening here before, we had to do some UX improvements as we had a problem whereby users couldn't figure out how to use the style sidebar, as we had the filter above, and the filter below the styles list, and then we also had the spotlight and the show previews. These all were below, so it was really impossible for users to be able to figure out how to use this. And as you can see in the new improvement, we had to move the filter, in case you can see where we have the word hierarchical. Yeah, so that's the filter, is what you use to filter, and then you get a drop down whereby you can filter the different styles you would want to see. And we also moved the spotlight from down to above the filter, and the spotlight feature, as you see, we had to rename it to also to highlight styles. So if you're using Collabora Online, in the new version, you'll see we're using highlight styles inside of Spotlight. What happened here, changing the Spotlight to highlight styles is, for example, we had a problem whereby users couldn't figure out what it really meant and truly its usage, because the word Spotlight is really, really confusing, and it doesn't really bring out what the use of this feature is. So we decided to go with highlight styles, and that is direct. And you can, if you turn it on, you would see your styles in your paragraphs or your document. You'll see different styles and also colors indicated by numbers, and indicated by numbers. Yes. So, and if you're still using LibreOffice, you will figure out there's still the stamp spotlight. So inside of Collabora. So in LibreOffice, the stamp spotlight remains because this was already shipped in the earlier builds, and also it also went through a couple of translations, and with that, TDF and the team at LibreOffice will have to first figure out a new way to handle that. So next, Shimon will present the technical details on how we build that.
Yes. So about the under the hood things in the style sidebars, we mainly use 3-view widget, which previously didn't have the context menu support, which really helps here because user can just select some style and add, edit, or delete some custom styles. And we had previously many different implementations of very similar widgets in the Collabora Online, which were, some of them were structured into the table, some of them were trees, and some of them were simple lists. We merged all of these implementations into one model, so now it's easier to maintain, and also we converted that to TypeScript and added more tests, including the visual tests, so we will see that something regressed in the future if we change, because as I said, we now have few different possibilities to display using the same code, so it's easy to break some other implementation. And also we needed to improve the messages we send from the core, because we have simple small updates required in this tree, but we sent a lot of data over the wire, so now it is improved and we send much smaller messages. That's all from me. Thank you.